buy or should you DIY?
The reasons you might choose to buy one. It's comparatively cheap. I bought one for $3 or 300 shillings online. It's lightweight. It weighs about 200 grams. It has facial features. I've seen two versions with feminine characteristics and one version with masculine facial characteristics online. I've also seen that it's available in the color black as well as the color white. It's easy to stick pins in it. The styrofoam is easy to pin and your pins won't break or bend. Now here are the reasons why you may choose not to buy a styrofoam head. It doesn't come in different sizes. The circumference of this one is 20 inches, which is okay for storing wigs, but making wigs is tricky for me because the circumference is small. You can make it bigger using duct tape. There are a few great tutorials on YouTube on how you can do this. The holes made by the pins in the styrofoam during use may become bigger with time. To reduce this, you can wrap the mannequin head entirely using duct tape. Again, there are tutorials on YouTube. Here are the reasons why you may choose to make a newspaper mannequin head. It is fairly simple to make at home if you have the time and the patience and materials. I made a tutorial. If you're up to it, you can take up the challenge. It can be made to custom size. This one is 21 inches. I have others in 23 inches and 24 inches circumference. It helps to recycle old newspapers. So if you have old newspapers at home, instead of burning them or letting them mold, you can use them. It also helps recycle old yogurt cups. It is comparatively cheap to make. It was for me. I only bought the balloons and each balloon was 5 shillings. I had the wheat flour, the old newspapers, the water, the tape and the yogurt cups at home. And here are the reasons you might choose not to make one. It takes a lot of time to make. Applying the newspapers takes 3 to 4 hours, including cutting them up into small pieces, and the drying time for the newspapers is anywhere from 4 to 7 days depending on the weather. The process is messy. The wheat flour liquid spills and it dries on your hands during the process. However, it is easy to wash off. It can be inaccurate. If you wait too long, that is 3 or 4 days before applying the newspapers onto your blown up balloon, it will shrink. I've done this before. So your mannequin head will turn out smaller than planned. So if you're going to do your project, the sooner you tape down and apply the newspapers, the better. If you cut big newspaper pieces and if you don't smooth them down flat, the mannequin head will turn out bigger than you planned. And it's not waterproof. Now the styrofoam isn't waterproof either, so that's a debatable issue. If you're using it to dry a wig, cover the mannequin head with a polythene bag or any other waterproof material you may have, like a shower cap. And it has a hard surface which will bend ordinary dressmaking pins. My pearl head pins bent, so I advise you to use T-pins because they're much stronger. Also, it wobbles on my DIY PVC tripod stand. The hole I made in the bottom of the yogurt cup to secure it isn't well made, so you might have that problem as well. And it may be imbalanced due to uneven weight distribution from when I stuffed it with newspapers to maintain the form. Yes, I stuffed it using newspaper pieces and I did it too tightly, and this made a rip in the mannequin head, and it also made the mannequin head heavy. To fix the weight issue, stuff your mannequin head with foam or that fluffy white stuff found in pillows and stuffed toys. It's much lighter.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your preference in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or suggestions or just want to say hi, leave me a comment below. I will see you in the next tutorial and in the comment section below. Bye!